So, ayun guys. Ayun, nakakuha ako ng tutubi. Wala siyang ano, hindi ko na pinabag. Kasi gagamitin natin. Nagpahanap ako ng necklace. Wala siyang necklace. Na-sold out ang necklace. So, yan. Meron doon magaganda ng necklace nila. Kaso lang, hindi siya, hypoallergenic siya. Kaso lang, ano, hindi siya tunay ba? Sayang. Ito lang kinuha ko kasi cute niya. Ang cute niya. Ang gaganda ng mga necklace nila doon guys. Promise. Promise, ang gaganda ng necklace nila doon. Hi honey.
What?
I got tutubi. Yes, ouch. You did not put this in the bag.
I can't get the truck started.
Why?
There's something wrong electrical. That's what I'm trying to work.
So guys, look, ang cute ng ano. Ang cute ng. Did you see?
Yeah, that's cute.
In our truck, we won't start. Ang cute niya. Ang cute niya. Hindi nag-start yung truck namin guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So guys, we're waiting here for how many minutes already, honey? Almost 1 hour? 30 minutes, something like that.
Long enough.
And almost 1 hour. Parking lot of the Crackerville where we eat. Then when we get out the restaurant, truck won't start. So anyway, the help is coming. What is it? Geico?
Emergency roadside assistance that we pay for is coming.
So they're coming, but it's hot. Minsan may hangin siya, minsan wala. Kaya buti na lang may mga kahoy dito. O yan, dito kami sa ilalim ng shade. Pero yung ayun no, ang ganda. Buti na lang nandito kami sa may may puno. Kaya kung hindi agoy. Pero minsan may hangin, minsan wala. So anyway, they're coming soon. I love my tutubi earrings. I hope I can find a necklace this, but they sold out their necklace. Yeah, they're sold out. Their necklace sold out. My dark spot is feeding. Feed a little bit. Hello, girl.
Oh, it's real dead. That might not even be charged up enough to do it because it jumped down. Just give it just a second. Try it again. No, it's real dead. This ain't charged up enough.
Ay, naghintay kami guys ng help namin sa truck. Yan yung truck, namatay yung battery, buti na lang nandito kami sa parking ng restaurant. Pero parating na yung tulong namin. Kaya 1 oras mahigit na kami dito naghintay. 1 oras at kalahati na kami dito. Buti na lang dito kami sa parking ng restaurant. Kung hindi ako, inuwa ko na lang. So, parating na, malapit na. So, yan guys, may towing na kami. May towing kami, ayun yung sasakyan namin. I-start kung battery ba ang kailangan. Pag hindi, itotow nila yan, dadalhin sa paggawaan. Tapos lalagyan, papalitan ng battery. Tapos tatawag kami ng rental car. So sana sana mag-start yan with jumper. Eh kung hindi, pag nag-start down with jumper, so that's nice, and we're gonna go somewhere that we can change battery and start. Ang problema niyan ay bibili kami dadalhin yan sa sasakyan sa paggawaan. Ayan, yan guys, Sa insurance yan. Pero ang tagal guys, mga 2 oras yata kami naghintay. E paano na lang kung nandoon kami sa sa gitna ng highway, interstate. Alam mo yung walang kamasisilungan, ang init, alam mo yun. Buti na lang nandito kami sa restaurant dito. Dito kasi kumain kami, paglabas namin hindi na nag-start yung sasakyan. Which is wala namang problema yung sasakyan namin. Kaso lang wala siyang problema. Kaso lang yung battery niyan, siguro lang kasi ang battery niyan. 4 to 3 last 3 to 5 years ata magpo 4 years na yan siguro, need to change battery. So see how far. Parang ayaw mag-start guys. Gina jumper, parang ayaw siya mag-start. So kailangan palitan ng battery. Yeah guys, pang talaga siya, pang ng battery. May i-charge yung battery namin kasi dead yung battery. Kaya pang talaga siya. Nilakasan na ng andar, binulhutan na pang talaga siya, pang start talaga siya ng pang jumper ba. Tapos parang hindi pa rin naandar. So, i-charge yata for a while. Tawa ko gagari kasi pag hindi yan siya pwede sa mainit So, yun guys. Hindi pa rin siya nag-i-start. Ay, nako guys. Hindi pa rin nag-i-start. Uy, lumabas na yung mag-charge. Matagal kasi yan. Ayan, may ilaw na. Lumabas na yung ilaw. Siguro mag-charge na to. Ayan na, mag-charge na. Push the brake. Mag-charge na siguro to. Hi. Andun si Gary nakaupo doon kasi may The lights come on. The lights come on. I hope they're gonna charge. Nakaupo sa sasakyan niya kasi mainit. Sabi ko okay lang ako dito si Gary kasi hindi pwede sa mainit yan. Naka-aircon yung sasakyan niya kasi nakaandar. Ako brand ng sasakyan, parehas pa yung brand guys. Yan ang totoo. Kawawa naman kasi hindi na siya maandar guys. Kawawa nga yun. Hindi naman pwedeng tumulong si Gary kasi yung may nga siya, may problema nga siya sa likod. Kawawa naman yung mama. You want me to drive? Tulungan natin. Kawawa naman. Tulak kami guys. Tulak Israel. Tulak kami. That's dangerous. Hindi siya easy guys. Pag nagtuto pala, hindi pala ganun kadali. Mahirap pala yun. Ay, ginoo ko. Mahirap pala. Kailangan pala may kasama siya. Pag ganyan may kasama dapat. Hindi pala pwedeng walang kasama guys pag nagtutong. Ganyan, mahirap. May nagtutulak sa likod. Okay. natatakot ako. O diba? Naka-experience ako magtulong ng ano. Naka-experience ako magtulong ng to. Ayan, tutok siya. Tingnan na. Videohan natin. Diba? Nakaharang kami dito pero okay lang yan. Ito to kasi yan. Ay, totoo yun kasi nila umikot yung ano. Dito niya ay totoo. Tapos magpapark siya. Okay na ba yun? Ouch. Oops. Ayan. Ganun pala guys mag-tow guys. So ngayon nakaharang kami sa mga Cracker Barrel papasok ng Cracker Barrel. Nakakaharang kami sa Cracker Barrel. Ito to kasi yan. Naku, wag mo kung pasasakayin yan pag itungo yan kaya natatakot ako, hindi ko alam kung paano. Baka mamaya mahulog. Tumalon ako. Ay naku. Hindi siya battery guys eh. Hindi battery yung ano niya, ignition daw sabi niya. Hindi battery yung problema. It's just ignition. So, i-guide natin siya sa i-guide natin si kuya kasi kawawa naman. Yan lang pala. Ayun. Ganun pala yun. Tapos hihilain niya. Doon. Hihilain niya papunta doon sa ano.
Let me make sure I got everything that I need from George, driver's side or passenger side wheel.
I didn't see any physical damage. I'm thinking that I hit it so hard I knocked something in the underneath, but I can't see anything. So the wheel doesn't look bent. He said to park it on the left side of the service entrance. Yeah, man.
Tow truck.
Nope. See, man, I made it down here on the hill.
Bili tayo tubig guys, grabe ang init. Hindi kami makakuha ng rental car so kami magbabayad. Kasi nag-rent na kami ng twice. Asan yung Gatorade nila? Gatorade red. Red daw eh, sabi niyo. Where is the Gatorade? Where is the Gatorade? Pag ang laki naman yung Gatorade. Red daw eh, sabi niyo. Asan yung ano nila? Gatorade po. Float bear o Gatorade sabi niya. Wala namang ano. Gatorade. Ano naman Sprite? Asan na yung Sprite? No, me. Yeah.
You want a receipt?
Thank you. May tubig na tayo. Oh. Malas naman yung kain namin sa labas. There's no red in it.
The only thing I'm seeing there is one Enterprise. There's no other rental centers there.
Yeah, no.
And they closed a long time ago. They closed at noon today because it's Saturday out there.
I know, it's all right.
But so for the claim there, I'm gonna go ahead and email you a copy of the claim number, and then if you do get the rental, just keep the receipts, upload them to us for review, and then once we get further into the claim, one of our auto damage adjusters will contact you
Okay.
to see if it qualifies under your coverage for reimbursement. But right now we can't cover it at the time.
That's okay.
I do have this under a collision coverage,
Okay.
and so you do have collision coverage with $1,000 deductible.
Okay.
It does not need to be paid until that rental, that body shop, the Keith White Chrysler, finishes the repairs on the vehicle. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Ayan. Oh. How are you gonna do it? Wow. Look at the guy. Tingnan mo yung gulong mo, parang puputok na, oh, napakan yung ano ko. Hindi pala easy. Ayan guys, mahirap pa yung trabaho na, mainit pa. Yan, ang hirap pa ng trabaho na. Okay. Saan may ibang exit ba dito? Ah, doon sa kabila. Matigas po kasi ikot yan pa pag hindi siya naka ano ba nakaandar. Matigas yung oh, yun na. Ganun pala yun. Natatakot na. Ayaw ko sumakay doon hanggat hindi maano niya kasi natatakot ako. O, diba? Walang ibang malulusutan eh. Nakatulong din ako guys. Sabi niya i-turn ko daw yung wheel straight. So, straight liko. Matigas kaya. Matigas yung ano, gulong pag inano. Ayaw mag-ano. Bakit hindi niya may thread yung ano? Hindi mo nabila. Kanina pa kami dito. Wow! Look at that! Yun na guys, nato na yung truck natin guys. Ayan na. Nato na. Kulang pa. Uy! Okay na. Ayan, nato na siya. Amin nakasakay. So guys, we are here in the trucks. We're gonna get down our trucks. And we are in a truck now. Oh, mamili na kayo dyan ng sasakyan. Ayan. Andito yung sasakyan namin guys. Ayan, maraming sasakyan oh, binibinta. Bili na kayo, pumili na kayo guys. Pumili na kayo ha. Ngayon, go in the shade, honey. Honey, go in the shade.
Look for a light Ford.
Okay. So he's gonna get down our truck. I'm looking for our over. We're gonna pick him. We're gonna pick us here. Look. Ooh, it's hot. My goodness. Grabe ang init. Lahat yata itong mga to ano eh. I-repair. Ano yan? Ang bilis! Ang bilis na kalabas! Ang bilis yun nakalabas! Ayan na! Ayan na yung over! Ayan! Come on! Over is here!
Oh, sorry, boss.
Well, that's okay. You gotta do what you need to do before you can get out of there. Make sure you get taken care of.
Yeah.
Head to your off at 5134 Old Brookhaven Road.
It's just a hop, skip, and a jump.
That's all it is.
I don't feel like hopping.
Yeah, especially it's kind of warm out there.
Yes, sir.
It's probably over 100 degrees out there.
Yeah, we've been out in it for 4 hours.
Oh my gosh, that's too long.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you done got just about got a tan now.
Turn right on Highway 51 North.
What is that Magus, honey? Is that a restaurant?
That's the same thing what they got in Macomb. It's a chicken strip place.
Yeah, that's pretty good too.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
My son lives in Monroe. They got one there. He loves it.
I bet he does, don't he?
There's an old burger joint around here, back here, some behind us somewhere.
Back here?
Yeah, back this way.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's your house.
be the guy that is exhausted.
worth of fuel in his truck. So now he's gonna have to PayPal or Venmo me some money.
Right.
Crazy. That's I got his phone number. So